Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and today I am doing unboxing of this brush from tschibo, and I like this very much. I like tschibo products very much, and whatever I used from tschibo is always has been very nice. So this is a polyester and textile brush, upholstery and textile brush, and it removed the finest particle of polyester, tapage and clothes. So, and there is an English explanation. Upholstery and textile brush removes the finest of particle from upholstery, rugs, clothes, etc. Also ideal for removing pet hairs. Can be cleaned easily under running water. Extra long, ergonomically shaped handle with non-slip soft grip. Includes recycled plastic with hanging loop. So that's pretty impressive. As I touch it, it's very soft, and it seems that it will work. So I open this. And now we will try this. So that's a piece of textile that I am going to clean by using this brush. I don't know if you can see it or not, but it's actually working. You see, it has removed some lint. So, and here also. So that this thing works. Nice. I will give it 10 out of 10. It's very nice. Like in touch also, it's very good. So I wish you all good luck and have a nice day. Bye bye.